Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to solve this question. 666 and so on 600 times whole square plus 888 and so on 800 times. If you add these two terms, what is the final answer? Let's see how to solve this. First look at the series 666 and so on 600 times. For example, if I take 11, how can you write this? You can write 10 plus 1 or 1 plus 10. Both are same. So we can write 1 plus 10, right? Same like that. If you take 66, then you can write it 6 plus 60. If you take 666, you can write this 6 plus 60 plus 600. Similarly, if you take 666 and so on 6, you can write this 6 plus 60 plus 600 plus and so on plus 6000 and so on zeros whole square. Similarly, if you take 88, we can write this 8 plus 80. If you take 888, we can write this 8 plus 80 plus 800 only. Similarly, shall we write this series? Yes, we can write plus 8 plus 80 plus 800 plus and so on plus 800 and so on. The first series and second series are written in place value format. Now observe this format. 6 plus 6 times 10 plus 6 times 10 square and so on 6 times 10 power n times means 100 times. After splitting 60 into 6 plus 10, 600 into 6 plus 10 square like that, it is in the form of a plus a times r plus a times r square and so on plus a times r power n. It's in the form of sum of n terms of geometric progression. Sum of n terms of GP, the formula is a times r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is the formula of sum of n terms in GP. A value is 6, r value is 10, n value is 100. These values substitute in the formula. Then the first series is become a means 6 times 10 power 100 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 whole square plus, try to write the second series also. In the second series you have 8 and so on. That means a value is 8, r value is 10 and the n value is 100. A value is 8, r value is 10, n value is 100 minus 1 by 10 minus 1. This square is for 6 also. So that's why 6 square by, in the denominator you have 10 minus 1. So that is 9 square. Then the numerator you have 10 power 100 minus 1 whole square plus 8. In the denominator you have 10 minus 1, that is 9. And the numerator you have 10 power 100 minus 1. So this 6 power 2 and 9 power 2. It is in the form of a power n by b power n. A power n and by b power n, we can write it as a by b whole power n. 6 by 9 whole power 2. After cancelling these two, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. So that is 2 by 3 whole square. So the value is 4 by 9. This 6 square by 9 square, the value is 4 by 9. This is a minus b whole square. Expand this. What is a minus b whole square? A square, that is 10 power 100 whole square plus b square, that means 1 square minus 2. 10 power, a means 10 power 100 plus 8 by 9, 10 power 100 minus 1. Here 4 by 9 and here 8 by 9. So just take 4 by 9, take it as common. Then you here 10 power 100 whole square plus 1 minus 2 times 10 power 100 plus 4 by 9, you take it common, then what you left here? Only 2. So 2 times 10 power 100 minus 1. Now observe this one. So 10 power 100 whole square. So it is in the form of a power m whole power n. So we can write it as a power m n. So then become 10 power 100 times 2. So that is 10 power 200. 4 by 9 10 power 200 plus 1 minus 2 times 10 power 100 plus 2 times 10 power 100. So plus times minus is minus. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2 times 10 power 100. Here minus 2 times 10 power 100 gets cancelled. Then you will get 4 by 9 10 power 200 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Before solve that, just observe this. If you write 10 power 1 minus 1, what is your answer? 10 power 1 value is 10 minus 1 is 9. If you take 10 power 2 minus 1, 10 power 2 is 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. If you take 10 power 3 minus 1, so 10 power 3 is 1000 minus 1 is 999. In the power, if you have 1, the result comes in one digit. In the power, if you have 2, the result comes in 2 nines. If you have the number 3, in the power, you will get 3 nines. Similarly, if you have power 200, you will get 200 nines. After cancelling this one, you will get 1, 1 and so on 1 200 times. Then after multiplying with 4, you will get 4, 4 and so on 4. This is 200 times. Question 666 and so on 600 times whole square plus 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 100 times. The final result is 4, 4, 4 and so on 200 times. This is the final result. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.